You see that white dot right there? Right below the blue Evo? Yeah, that's a giant cinder block. And that's coming from my front lip. And that's exactly what it's going to do. A million years of compressing minerals to fall off that cliff right in front of me at 6 a.m. That's the truth of it. But to give you a little background, let's start it off. We're just cruising up. It's a good morning. The Po-Po are doing their thing. They're chilling on the left. We're going up the hill. We got a good crew. There's nothing wrong today. It's a beautiful morning to hit the canyon. Now, I know you're looking. I want to see the bang right now. I want to see it hit and explode, and that lip does hit and explode. And you know what? You can look down at the chapters, and I have it right there for you. Click on it. If you want a little backstory, this is how the day is going. Let's take an assessment of that damage. Alright guys, so I took a turn and I wasn't like paying attention to the cars in front of me that went wide, and I grabbed some big rock inside of my lip's done, dude. I need to replace it. Pretty upset about that, but I don't have a flat tire or a bent rim. My car did go over that rock pretty nasty, so we'll have to check. But you want to take a look at this? This hurts me as much as it hurts you. Look at that. Oh. I mean, at least most of this is okay. Man, I'm just gonna fuck it up more. Dude, that sucks. And I hit that thing, dude. I hit that rock solid. Rock solid? That's like a new term for that. Well, not losing any fluids. The tire looks okay. It's gonna cost some money. It's okay. Damn, dude. Look at that, guys. Damn, Daniel. That is not the good damn Daniel. So I'm getting a new lip. Oh man, screw Mount Wilson. This place is cool though. So this is pretty much where it all goes wrong. We pull over the side, kind of regroup, re-meet, and we're gonna go up through tighter little turns of the mountain. So this was my day to be stupid. So I pretty much pull up, stop. I'm not even sure what happened. There's just stuff. I thought a rock fell on my car. I knew I ran something over, but I sure thought something fell on my car because of all the sprinkling of the lip on my car. So eventually we go up, people pull over, kind of check, make sure I'm okay or whatever, things are okay with the car. I'm cool, go ahead, just let me kind of deal with this on my own. I'm feeling like something's gonna be expensive, so you know, I jump out of my car here and I gotta take a look at this bitch and see what happens. This is pretty much where I see the hole in my front lip, and yeah, that sucked. And you're like, oh look, he's crying. I'm not crying. I went home later and cried and, you know, put some eyeliner on in the mirror and cut my wrist. So, you know, but I got it out. That's important. I got it out. And here, I didn't really do that, by the way. And here I'm just looking underneath the car to make sure everything's okay. Or I'm praying to Mecca. I don't know. I think it was east, and it was that time. So I could have been doing that, but no, I was actually checking underneath the car, make sure that we got no leaks, and everything's cool, except for I'm hurt. And what in the world is this? This is not a chip from El Pollo Loco's new double nachos. This, sir, is my lip that blew up all over my car. So it's pretty impressive to see how these lips explode. That should be a feature, and I think that's pretty cool, especially in an accident scenario like this. It's cool to see the lip actually explode. So we're gonna take our drive of shame here. This is something nobody ever wants to do, but the point is that it's driving, it feels okay. I didn't blow out a strut, but now I gotta go find my homies. And I come up to the end of the road, and there's two ways to go right. You could go up, or you could just go around. And knowing me, I'm gonna go the wrong way. So either way that I choose will be the wrong way, so I chose the wrong way. And you know, I don't really know where I'm at. I'm feeling kind of crappy about my front lip now. I'm feeling kind of like, what just happened? Why did something have to happen? Why does something always have to happen? And now I'm pretty much lost. I don't really know where my friends are. I'm just cruising around looking for them, hoping I eventually run into them. I haven't been up here in so long, I don't really know. So I figured I gotta get myself back down off of this crazy little path here. There's all those radio towers for like Fox and ABC and everything are up there. It's pretty chill. But yeah, I got no idea what's going on. So I eventually go back down and I take that other right turn I could have. And yeah, here's the homies out chilling, just waiting for me, wondering what the hell's going on. And I finally get up to my final resting place where the lip gets discovered immediately. And you know, at first everybody kept taking a look, wanted to investigate the lip, and after a while I just let them go do it themselves because it was kind of exhausting me, just having to re-look at it every single time. It took me another day to make this video because I just like don't want to look at it or talk about it, but you know, it's not that big of a deal. I'm lucky there's no mechanical damage.
Seems okay,
nothing like that, so I really did get away quite easily with nothing.
You guys care more than I do. Yeah, I felt
Fucked up my lip, man. Oh, you have it? Oh, it's gonna be so bad.
Oh, it was bad.
Oh. Well, at least the rock broke. That probably helped me. That probably saved me a tire. Dude, my front lip is gone. Like it's there, but it's fucked.
So what happened?
I hit like a giant rock, like in that one turnout.
How you missed that? We all stopped for it.
I didn't even see you guys until it was like on the outside, and it was like in the middle of the lane by then.
Both of us were on the outside, like hopefully you would, and you just said, fuck it.
I swear it did about like fucking a foot.
Yeah, I don't know.
Well, at least you know the Camaro's tough.
Yeah.
So you didn't break your fucking lip?
Oh, it broke it.
Okay.
Oh yeah, dude, there was like, I saw something on my windshield. I was like, what the fuck? I got out of the car and I was like, that's my lip. That's my lip. I go look at it and there's just like a hole missing in it. Like,
oh shit. Well, now you can put blue tape on your car just like me.
shit.
So I broke my shit with a rock.
Yeah, that sucks.
Stitch it.
Fuck,
Go
man.
drill little holes and fucking cross stitch that bitch back on. Battle scars.
Yeah, I'm gonna get that fixed.
Hey, at least you have your piece. My shit
Yeah, fuck
fucking.
that.
It's just,
Yeah, you can put it back.
yeah, but
on,
at least you get rid of your car. I gotta keep mine.
Yeah.
So you have the pleasure of not caring.
Oh, you're selling your car?
Well,
lemon
yeah. So if you haven't taken the good time to like and subscribe, please do so. It keeps me motivated when my lip blows up and costs me a bunch of money. And us YouTubers are always looking at ways to expand what we do, and that's pretty much the major way we get likes and subscribes, and that tells us that we're doing good things. So if you can do that, it's much appreciated.